Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. What's happening? What's up? How you feeling? Good to see you here and good to be back. So, welcome back. If you saw my last week's video on how to get this style, thank you for watching. This week's video is going to be on how I do this extra hair. I still haven't decided yet if I'm going to do what is it? If I'm gonna do Nubian knots or Bantu knots, or if I'm going to do curlers. So honestly, I think I have a meeting later today, so I think Bantu knots would be better fitted for me. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, let's get started. First I'm going to section off the front row of my hair. As I said in last week's video, like I have a lot of slippage in the front from washing my hair. I just washed it this morning, and yeah, I have a lot of slippage, so this is really good for disguising that. So what I'm going to do with this hair, I'm going to add a little bit of the leave-in. And I'm just going to start going. I think I'm going to do like three knots. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like this, twirl it all the way to the end, and go like that. Now, I've never done these on my locks yet, so I don't know how they're going to come out. So we are all going to see how they come out tomorrow. But we're going to hope for the best. Same thing, we just twirl. Actually, I'm going to add some more to this section. There we go, twirl. And this is on damp hair, by the way. This all around my head off camera, and when I'm done, I'm going to come back and show you guys the end result of the Nubian knots, how they look, and then I will show you what they look like tomorrow. So be back. Hey y'all, I'm back, and I just finished all of the Bantu knots. Here how they look. Hope you can see. And they're they're not as neat as I would like, but it's because, as you can see, like my hair is different lengths, and yeah, it was definitely more difficult than I thought, but I got it done. So hopefully I will be back tomorrow anyway. show you like my results and all of that stuff. Right now I think I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit, and then I'm just gonna let it air dry for the rest of the day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Hey y'all, good morning. So it's the next day and I'm actually at an event right now. I just pulled up, but the thing is, I tried to record this video and I realized I wouldn't have any sound. So anyway, I'm halfway through taking out my Bantu knots. I took them out and now I'm just combing them out, you know, just to give it some body and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna prop this up on my phone, up on the up on my car magnets that I use, and then once I finish combing it out, I'll give you a close-up of my hair. So sorry about the lighting as well. It's not very good. I'm under a shady tree, so that could be why you can't see anything. Freshly, you know, separated. So, yeah, y'all, this is my hair. So yeah, these are the results, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this two-part. Let me know if you have any other ideas for me to do in terms of hair, and thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video. I'm still trying to adjust my hair, but you know, we gonna make it work. So I'll see y'all next week. Bye.